video, I'm going to be showing you how to enhance your natural lashes to make it look like you have falsies on. If you're interested in knowing what I do, keep watching. Hi y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the bell because I'll be uploading. I upload twice a week. Right now it's Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I really want you all to join the Rock Natural family. And if you're here to learn about natural hair, beauty, tips and tricks, lifestyle, or anything about makeup, then you are at the right spot, and you don't want to forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I put on all my makeup, and the final touch usually would be like my eyelashes, but today I'm going to show you how to enhance your natural lashes using 3 products. And so 2 of them are mascaras, and then 1 of them is a primer. So let's get right into it. So I like to, I don't always want to put on lashes. I usually, if I am just going somewhere quick, I like to throw on a real cute eye look or even just mascara, but I still want it to look like I have falsies on. So I am going to apply my primer. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Base. And so this comes out white. It's almost like putting a base on your eyes or your face before applying your makeup. I like to make sure there's a good coat on there. And I also like to apply the same thing to my bottom lashes. And so this base is to help enhance your eyelashes to make them longer, fuller, whatever you're going for. So I have 2 types of mascaras to kind of give me the effect that I'm going for. Okay, so primer's all done. You can obviously never wear the primer by itself because it is white. And I've never actually waited until it dried to see if it dries clear or whatever color it dries. But first, I'm going to use the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express by Maybelline New York. This is by Shayla. And I like to use this one because it really does give me the volume that I want. You can already see that there's a huge difference just by using this and the primer. Look at the difference between this eye and this eye already just from this one mascara. So I like to go under and I like to go over, and then I like to go on my bottom lashes. Bottom mascara is the hardest because you try not to get it on your under eye, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see this makeup look. I kind of just did it on the fly. I was like, ooh, yellow beep is perfect for the summer. I don't have on any liner just because this look looks better without it. Okay, now that I've applied this mascara, I'm actually going to go in with this Tarte mascara. Ooh, this is Light Camera Action mascara, and I love this stuff too because it also helps with the length. And so the Shayla was more for the volume, and then this is going to be more for the length, and then the last little step to make it look full like you have on falsies. So I only applied this mascara to my top lashes. I mean, look at that difference. It's such a huge difference. I love these mascaras in combination with each other. It just really gets the job done. And I'm like, okay, I don't want to put on falsies today. What can I do instead to make my eyelashes look like some falsies? Okay, I'm all done. So this is super easy and quick. It's just those little tips to make your eyelashes look like you have on falsies. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you use any of these products already, or what mascara do you use to really get that volume that you're looking for when you don't want to wear lashes. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you want me to do more videos like this, enhancing your eyebrows, your lips, or anything of that nature. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to leave a comment down below. That's always super helpful for me. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!